All right, what are we making today, guys?
Lacy.
Lacy's.
Gluten-free cookie.
These crispy little cookies taste like brown butter and caramel, and wait until you see what happens when we sandwich them with dark chocolate. We're going to start by melting butter over low heat. While we're doing this, we're also going to put some dark chocolate over a double boiler, which is basically just a bowl of chocolate over some simmering water. This water is boiling a little bit too hard, but it still ended up working for us. Once that butter is nicely melted, we're going to add in the salt, then we're going to add in the brown sugar, and we're going to whisk this for just a second. And then we're going to add the almond flour and let this all come together. This is going to look a little bit gritty and grainy at first, but you just got to keep on whisking it and it'll all come together. Meanwhile, give your chocolate a stir and see how it's coming along. Now let's go back and add the vanilla and the milk to our pot with the butter and the brown sugar. Give it a whisk and let it cool down. These get baked off at 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. They cook very fast, so make sure you watch them the whole time they're in the oven. They should be pretty consistently golden brown from the outside edge all the way into the center, just like these right here. We're going to make some more now that we know that that worked out really well. I always like to do a quick little test batch of a couple just to make sure the recipe's good. These cookies are extremely delicate. I always let them cool off until they're cool to touch, and then I'll use a knife just to kind of pick them up and get them into my hand. Then I'll take that dark chocolate that's already melted, and I'll just pour it onto my cookies and put the top on and just kind of sandwich them together and move it around a little bit to make sure that the chocolate's evenly dispersed. We ended up making these for a friend of ours that's gluten-free. I typically don't make gluten-free desserts, and these, honestly, you'd have no idea that they are because they taste like butter and caramel and dark chocolate, and they're delicious. If you love simple, from-scratch recipes like this, subscribe and come gather at our table each week. Thanks for watching.